it's Miss Christina. Today we're going to read My Daddy Snores. On Monday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur. The windows rattled. The walls trembled. So, Mommy played musical beds. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hogged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of the bed. So, look at Mommy, she fell on her head. And the lamp fell off of the side table. The bed broke. You can see the floor broke apart. She slept in the bathtub. See her feet sticking out. But the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip. On Wednesday, Daddy snore chugged like a freight train. So, Mommy slept in Hammy's cage, but she was so squished and it smelled funny. On Thursday, Daddy's snore buzzed like a bumblebee, so Mommy slept in the doghouse. But poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead, very loudly. On Friday, Daddy's snore whistled like a teapot. So this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl, but even Daddy's bubbles snored loudly. It wasn't fair to Splishy at all. Splishy's the fish. On Saturday, Daddy snore honked like a truck. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. But he woke up all the birds. Then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. "No more snoring!" she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. Mommy slept, I slept, Natalie slept, Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept until, what do you think happened? Daddy started talking in his sleep. "Thanks. I'd love more ice cream."